Now children, we will move to the next question, that is the question number 3, factorize. Okay, so just see here, question number 3, we'll just solve the first part, that is x plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Now children, you can see that in this algebraic expression there are 4 terms. Here there are 4 terms. So what you have to do? We can see that all the 4 terms we are not able to just take out a common factor. So in this case, we'll just follow the method of regrouping. Okay. So we'll just do the regrouping. We'll just take out the pair. Now I'm just doing the pairing, that is x and 8x, x plus 8x, or you can just also do the pairing of the first, second and third, fourth, whichever you just find it out convenient. Okay. So I am just doing x plus 8x and xy plus 8y. Okay. It's up to you in which manner you have to just find the group. So x is common here. So 1 plus, just a minute children, it is x plus, okay, sorry, I have just written the wrong question. It is x square plus xy and 8x plus 8y. So we'll just do the regrouping, that is x square plus 8x and xy plus 8y. So what will be common here? X. So x plus 8. Similarly, you can just take out the common form here, that is y. So x plus 8. Now you can just find out the factors, that is x plus y and x plus 8. So these are the factors of this expression. Okay. Now we'll just move to the next part of this question. Now just see, it's the 5th part. We will solve the 5th part now. Question number 3, 5th part. Let's see what is given over here. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Now again children, what you have to do? You have to do the regrouping. So suppose I am just taking the group of, here we can see that nothing can be take out common. So I will just write here z minus 7 as it is plus, now what you can take common from here? Here you can take x common and y common. यहाँ पे आप क्या common ले सकते हो? x और y. यहाँ पे दोनों तरफ क्या है? x y है. So 7 minus z. Now you can see children that here the one factor is z minus 7 and here it is 7 minus z. तो यहाँ पे difference क्या आ रहा है? There is only the difference of sign. So we can just adjust it. That is z minus 7. अब इस प्लस की जगह हम यहाँ पे क्या लेंगे? बाहर माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे ताकि वापस यहाँ पे अंदर क्या आ जाए ब्रैकेट में? That is z minus 7. So I will just take the negative sign over here. That is minus xy. Okay. Now we need the, what you will do? That you will write the z over here. Minus xyz, क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ पे भी क्या था? That is minus xyz. That is plus into minus is minus. So minus xyz minus 7. So you can see that again the 7xy is coming positive. So what will be the factors? Z minus 7 और यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब क्या है? 1 है. 1 minus xy. Is it clear? So whenever there is a difference of sign, just take out the minus sign outside the bracket common and you can just adjust the expression. Okay. So now children, we will move to the next exercise, that is the exercise 14.2. Now just see page number 223. Exercise 14.2, it's page number 223. Now children, in this exercise we will use the algebraic identities. We will here use the algebraic identities. 14.2, it's page number 223. Now just see the first question. Factorize the following expression. Now just see the first part. Question first. First part, a square plus 8a plus 16. So this is the algebraic expression given to you and you have to factorize it. Now what you will do? We have to use the identities over here. So we can just write it over here, that is a square. 8a को क्या लिख सकते हो? 2, that is 2ab, तो क्या हो जाएगा? That is a and this is 4 plus 4 का स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू क्या है? हमने क्या किया, इस 8a को क्या कर दिया? स्प्लिट कर दिया. ओके, सो दैट वी कैन जस्ट राइट द फैक्टर्स यूजिंग द आइडेंटिटीज. सो यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू क्या है? दैट इज a ओनली. और b की वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या है? 4. तो हम कौन सी आइडेंटिटीज यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? दैट इज a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. तो अब a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? a है. ओके, तो 2 into a and what is the value of b? That is the value of b is 4. So you can write that is a plus 4 whole square. So the factors of this algebraic expression are a plus 4 into a plus 4. Got it? Now we'll just move to the next part over here. Now just see, that is the sixth part of this question. Sixth one, that is 121 p square minus 88 bc plus 16c square. Now children, you can just guess that which identity we can use here. We can use a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. तो अब यहाँ पे a क्या हो सकता है? 121 किसका स्क्वायर होता है? इट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 11. मतलब a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या हो सकती है? 11b. और b की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या हो सकती है? दैट इज 16c स्क्वायर, दैट इज 4c. अब इस फॉर्म में हम इसको लिख के देखते स्प्लिट करके. सो वी कैन राइट a स्क्वायर. तो a स्क्वायर को आप क्या लिख सकते हो? 11b का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2. a की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? 11b. और b की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है? 4c, दैट इज 4c का whole square. Is that clear? Seeing the identities, you can just recognize, students, that which identity we can use and what is the value of a and b. So we can just write. So you can see that is 11b whole square minus 2 into 11b into 4c plus 4c का square. तो आप इसको किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? That is 11b minus 4c whole square. So it can be written as 11b minus 4c into 11b minus 4c. So this is the way that you can factorize using the appropriate algebraic identity. Now we'll just move to the next part. Now just see over here, children. We will solve question number 2. Again you have to use the identity over here. Question number 2, it's again factorized. Now we'll use the third identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it's question number 2. Just see the third part over here, that is 49 x square minus 36. What is the expression given over here? That is 49x square minus 36. Now children, as you are aware, 49 is the square of 7. So 7x whole square minus 6 square. 36 किसका स्क्वायर है? 6 का स्क्वायर है. अब कौन सी आइडेंटिटी के फॉर्म में आ रहा है ये, दैट इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर विच इज इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी। तो अब आप इसको कैसे फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, ए की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास 7x से, ओके, एंड बी की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे 6 स्क्वायर है, तो इसको क्या लिखोगे आप 7x प्लस 6 इंटू 7x minus 6. Got it now? Now just see the next part over here. Now we'll solve, that is fifth part. Just see the fifth part over here. Question number 2, fifth one. So the expression given is, that is L plus M whole square minus L minus M whole square. Now again you can see that it is A square and this is B square. तो हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, that is A plus B into A minus B. That means you can write as L plus M plus L minus M into A minus B. That is L plus M minus L minus M. So you can just simplify it. M से M क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे कट हो जाएगा, तो L प्लस L क्या हो गया 2L. सिमिलरली L प्लस M माइनस L प्लस M, तो L क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे कट हो जाएगा, सो 2L M प्लस M इंटू 2M, that is 4LM is your answer. Got it? So it's a very easy identity to factorize. Now just see the next one. Now we'll solve the seventh part of this question. That is x square minus 2xy plus y square minus z square. Now children, you can see the first expression. ये किस फॉर्म में है, that is a minus b whole square के फॉर्म में, that is a minus b whole square के फॉर्म में. तो इसको आप कैसे लिख सकते हो, that is x minus y whole square minus z square. अगेन अब कौन सी आइडेंटिटी आ गई, that is a square minus b square which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. अब आप इसको इस फॉर्म में फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं, that is x minus y plus z into x minus y minus z. So this is your answer. Now children, we'll move to the next question. That is the question number 3, that is factorize the expressions. Now just see question number 3. We will solve the first part, that is ax square plus bx. ax square plus bx. अब इसमें क्या कॉमन निकल रहा है, you can see that first of all you can write the factors a into x, क्योंकि x square है तो x कितनी बार आएगा 2 बार, plus b into x. So what is the common factor, you can take it out, that is x. So you can write x into ax plus b. So this is your answer. Now just see the next part over here, that is the third one. Question number 3, we'll solve the third part. I hope children that you are solving the questions. Now the third part, that is 2x cube plus 2x y square plus 2x z square. Okay. Now again you have to find the common factors. So 2 into x into x into x plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into x into z. Now you can see the common factor हुए, तीनों में क्या कॉमन आ रहा है 2 2 2. x is also coming common, Now, so we can just take out 2x as common. So 2x, what is the remaining term? X into x will become x square, y into y will become y square. Similarly, z into z will become z square. So your answer is 2x into x square plus y square plus z square. Now we'll just move to the next question over here. That is the question number 4. Okay, it's on page number 224. So just see question number 4 now. Again you have to use the identity over here. So we'll solve the first part, that is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Now you can see, children, again it can be written as a square minus b square. Again it can be written as a square minus b square. So a to the power 2 whole square minus b to the power 2 whole square. So you can write it as a minus b into a plus b. So that is a square plus b square into a square minus b square, which can be further factorized. That is a square plus b square, और a square minus b square को आप क्या लिख सकते हो? That is a plus b into a minus b. So this is your answer. Now we'll just move to the next question. Okay, it was page number 224. Okay, now just see question number 4, third part. We will solve the third part now. That is x to the power 4 minus y plus z whole to the power 4. Okay. Now just see, it can be written as x to the power 2 whole to the power 2. Similarly, it can be written as y plus z whole square whole to the power 2. Now again it can be split as, कैसे split up कर सकते हो आप इसको? That is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. तो a की वैल्यू क्या है? x स्क्वायर, और b की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास? y प्लस z का होल स्क्वायर. तो x स्क्वायर प्लस y प्लस z का होल स्क्वायर इंटू x स्क्वायर माइनस y प्लस z का होल स्क्वायर. Now you can simplify it. Okay, that is x स्क्वायर प्लस y प्लस z का होल स्क्वायर इंटू, इसको आप फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो a माइनस बी के फॉर्म में, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो x माइनस y प्लस z इंटू x minus y minus z. So this is your answer. Now we'll just do the last question of this exercise. That is the question number 5. Factorize the following expressions. Okay. Now just see, it's the last question. So just see question number 5 now. That is p square plus 6p plus 8. Now you can see that it's a splitting of middle term. तो यहाँ पे फैक्टर क्या है? सिर्फ 1 है. 8 के फैक्टर्स क्या हो सकते हैं? That is 2, 2 and 4. अब हमको किस तरीके से कंबाइन करना है कि हमारा एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन के बीच में क्या आ जाए? 6 आ जाए. सो यू कैन सी, यू कैन ईजिली सी ओवर हियर, दैट इज वी कैन यूज 4 and 2. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या लिख सकते हो? दैट इज पी स्क्वायर प्लस 2p प्लस 4p प्लस 8. Now you can just find out the common factor, that is p into p plus 2 plus 4 into p plus 2. So what are the factors? That is p plus 2 into p plus 4. So it's a very easy method. Now just see the last one. That is the third part of this question. Again you have to find the factors of the first and the third term of the expression. Third part, that is p square plus 6p minus 16. Now again you can see यहाँ पे factor क्या होगा, there is nothing, so it will be 1. Now you can just write the factors over here, that is 8 and 2, because 8 2s are 16, 4 4s भी क्या होता है 16 होता है, तो हमने यहाँ पे फैक्टर्स ले लिए 8 और 2. नाउ यू कैन सी, क्या हम 1 और 8 को कंबाइन कर सकते हैं, नहीं, बिकॉज इफ यू आर यूजिंग द फैक्टर्स 1 and 8, तो 1 minus 8 is -7, 1 plus 8 is 9. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू जस्ट, हमको यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, वी नीड 6. सो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, डेट इज 8 and 2. सो 8 minus 2 क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, 6 आ जाएगा, एंड 1 into -16 इज -16. तो यहाँ पे क्या कर देंगे हम, इसको स्प्लिट करके, डेट इज p स्क्वायर. अब हमको यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, प्लस 6p चाहिए, तो क्या लिख सकते हो आप, डेट इज 8p minus 2p. इस 6p को आप कैसे लिख सकते हो, डेट इज 8p minus 2p. जब आप इसका प्रोडक्ट भी फाइंड आउट करोगे तो 1 into -16 इज -16 एंड 8 into -2 is also -16. Now you can just find out the factors, that is p into p plus 8, now -2 into p plus 8. So your factors are p minus 2 and p plus 8. So children, this is all about, we have learned about the methods of factorization. So children, please keep on practicing more and more questions. In the next video, we will just learn about the division of a polynomial with a polynomial. That's all for today. Thank you.